Hey guys, I'm going to give you a M1 Finance update. Show you what's new on my account. Other things I'm going to show you in this video. I'm even going to have a product review of one of my favorite things. It's not really related to stocks and M1 Finance. It's just something I really enjoy, so I wanted to show it to other people. Um, so let's get on to the video. I'll leave a link in the video to the review if you want to skip ahead to see that. Uh, and yeah, let's get to the video. So today was kind of an up and down day. The market started like it wanted to really go up, and then kind of stabilized and went down towards the end of the day. So my account is kind of going sideways a little bit. Today was a little bit of an up day, but not much. So overall, my account is doing okay. But one of the goals I hit, or one of the first plateau, or not plateaus, first goal I hit for dividends was I had over $10 in earned dividends for this account. So that's pretty good. I've still been in this account less than 2 months. Dividends are a slow grind, but it's nice to have that income coming in, and with the value of my account going up, the dividends will go up as well. So one of my best account pies so far is a big money pie, which includes the big stocks, the Amazons, the Nvidias, the Netflix stocks, Shopify as well. And yeah, the only thing to my account is I added a speculative game account. This is kind of just a fun thing I added. So I have a speculative account that is just stocks that I think will be up and coming. So I only have 2 stocks in that. And then so the speculative game is basically going to be kind of like the minor leagues for that pie. Basically, I'm going to, have basically, 2 or more stocks go head to head in this account for approximately a month. And which one comes out the winner will move to the speculative fund. Or there could be no winners. If I go a month and both these seem like dogs, then neither one of them make it to the account. And so far with the market the way it is, both these are kind of dogs right now. So that's just that part of the pie, which is my very speculative part of the pie, which, one of my accounts really small now, only $2,600. I can play those games and have a little fun with my account. As the account gets a lot bigger, I want to be a little bit more careful. When I'm getting that dividend income coming in, I don't want to take away from the income I have coming in by doing too many risks in this. So that's how my account's looking right now. The only other thing I did is I need to be more patient on some of these funds, but I am getting rid of Care Trust right now. So you can see this little icon right now. That's a sell order for this. It's just been not doing very well. I mean, I think the chart looks good, like it could bounce up, but I'm going to get rid of it for now. And I am adding AT&T in its place. AT&T, for those that you don't know, has a 6% yield, like 5.99% yield on it. So it's a very good dividend yield, and it's a very stable stock. So I'm replacing a risky one for a stable one right now. So all 3 of my dividend pies are full. I hold 12 stocks, so dividend 1, 2, and 3 are now full with stocks. If I open any more dividend stocks, I will open a new pie called dividend. You guessed it, number 4. So let's get into the product review. And this thing, I promise you guys, I don't promote something unless I absolutely love it. And this might seem like such a little thing, but it is a wallet for men, and it's protected, RFID protected. So your cards go in the top, and when you pull the lever down below, they fan out, so you never have to open your wallet. It's, you know, about half the size of the wallet. I mean, like I said, it's so simple. But for me, I can talk about this with a little bit more passion because I have had my card, a previous credit card, compromised. It's been years ago now, probably at least 4 or 5 years ago, where some hacker did get the number off the card through the machine, and it, you know, picked up the card, and they used it, and I had to cancel that card. So yeah, so I mean, I love this wallet. It's so easy, and it really saves you some time because you're not opening your wallet, digging your wallet, getting your card. You click this little lever, out fan the cards, you pick the one you want, and you're done with the sale. So they have a whole bunch of different versions of this. This one holds up to 12. The one I got is just a mini one, holds up to only 6 cards, and it's very small, easy to keep in your front pocket. So I will put a link down below, and it will be affiliate link. So if you do buy it, I will get a small commission off the sale. But like I said, I'm only promoting it because I really believe in it. I really like it, and I think you will too. So again, click the link. It'll help the channel out. It'll help me do more videos. And thanks, guys. I appreciate it. If you guys do like this wallet and you want me to do a video dedicated just to this wallet, I will do. That way I can show you. I mean, there's really not much to it. There's not much features. You have a lever, you have the cards, you open it up, and you can put money in cards inside. But like I said, it's about at least half the size of a regular men's wallet. So again, guys, thanks. Appreciate the support. Great investing out there. Bye.